Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how you can install apps on an Android device. Okay, but what I'm using here is Samsung phone. So you can still call this video how to install applications or apps on a Samsung phone. Okay, so here the screen of my Samsung is cast on my computer. Okay, so the next step is to access the Play Store. Every Samsung phone comes with Play Store. So I'll swipe up, then get to the Play Store app, which is this app here. Okay, I'll tap on it for it to open. As it opens, let's assume that the name of the application I want to install here is Candy Crush. So in the search space, search bar, I'll type Candy Crush. Okay, Candy Crush. See it here? So I'll click on it, it will open. Okay, the next step is to hit the install button. So within a few minutes or few seconds, the app will be installed on your phone. Okay, as once it's installed on your phone, it's always accessible through the desktop section. Will I say home screen, through the home screen. So this is the home screen. I'll swipe up. Let's assume it has finished installing. Swipe up. I'll take it by the right. The app will appear somewhere here. Okay, so you click on it and then use the app for anything you want to do. So these are just the few steps you need to take to install applications on a Samsung phone. Please, if this video helps, please hit the like button. If you are watching my video for the first time or you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting on the subscribe button, because this will make a great difference to my channel. And I want to grow, and I know you want me to grow. So do what to subscribe. See you next time.